What is the wisdom behind mentioning more than one Jannah or multiple Jannah and multiple Jahannam?
It only is expression of degrees. Some, it's said that first degree, second degree, third degree. So it only emphasizes the crime of the people who are in the worst of Jahannam. And similarly, those who do good wills, they are not exactly alike. There are hundreds of hundreds of steps between the lowest of them and the highest of them, between ordinary man who is a good person and Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are hundreds or even thousands of radiating differences. So this is the reason why one Jannah is not mentioned alone, many Jannahs, and also Jahannam is not mentioned as one Jannah, one Jahannam. Jazakumullah. And your song will be inshallah next time. Prepare something,